Let's watch this video.
This one
Maybe now boss. Now boss. Now wow.
Lord Bob.
Long time.
See my long time friend.
Wow, you don't tell me.
Now since for primary school now.
I dey tell you. I think I do for here now.
I'm gonna hear this thing now.
When I hear this thing.
Yes, sir. Come inside, come inside, come inside. See my long time
Guy,
friend.
you don't really make am. I want to ask fine.
Come make I
God
give you
have
green.
mercy upon us.
Now here this thing.
When that boss, you don't
Come
really
inside,
try.
my guy.
You don't really try. You don't make am. You don't make am. Once your house fine. Wallahi, I think for school that year, I think your life will not be useless. Because those are last. But thank God for today, I'm happy for you.
Now your why they do now?
Yahoo they do.
Now your boy I be now.
So no, like this now you Yahoo boy.
You know they say everywhere. If they play the show.
Oh, sharp.
You know say them for school, they tell me you hear me. When they do this thing together, they collect the money. You just they draw back. See, you just.
Wetin this one papa dey talk for here?
They carry face for class.
I don't know in my mind. As I dey carry the face na bad thing. You don't really try. I'm happy for you. You don't make.
I bet chi make I bring you chi and see me take chi body.
No. I mean, don't give me NSC. I bet just bring cold water for me. Chill water.
I don't see sun not to hit you.
That's not too much.
Because the way I just see you just dey work on that sun. I know say I work you dey fine.
Shall we say I work at the fine? I get work. I don't see work already.
Now good news now.
Yes, now. Even like this, I did work.
You dey work like this?
Yes.
For my house. Which kind of work you gonna do now?
On EFCC now.
Say wetin?
I say I'm EFCC.
He say wetin?
For you, you say wetin?
Which kind of play be this one now?
They play.
Okay. See, that number 21, Mawa Street, now they come to that corner, that Mawa Street, I'm gonna enter there. I'm gonna come carry one Yahoo boy there.
Jesus!
You been that now?
No, I don't waste time.
Hey! Why you gonna call them your people now?
They play.
I just say you my friend.
You friend now. I be not be my friend again. Nah, bro, relax. Nah, bro.
God help me now that day. God help me.